Hello, this is Tariq Habib. Today I'm gonna discuss about middleware. Middleware provides a convenient mechanism for filtering HTTP requests entering your application. And its example could be like middleware can check condition. For example, I can say sometimes you do not sell or people do not sell certain products to certain customer, like if their age is less than 17 or 18, then they are not able to buy that product. In that case, if you run the software, you can check the age limit by middleware if you run the Laravel server. Laravel also includes a middleware that verifies the user of your application is authenticated. If the user is not authenticated, the middleware will redirect the user to the login screen. However, if the user is authenticated, the middleware will allow the request to proceed further into the application. Additional middleware can be written to perform a variety of tasks besides authentication. A coarse middleware might be responsible for adding the proper headers to all responses leaving your application. A logging middleware might log all incoming requests to your application. And middleware are located in the App Http Middleware directory. And I am running my project inside the XAMPP htdocs folder. So you need to run the Apache and MySQL server on XAMPP control panel. And for the details, please visit this link. Now I will show you an example like how we can check a condition, and then if the condition meet the certain limit, then it executes the software, otherwise it redirect you to welcome page or home page or like login page. So at first we will make an middleware by this command php artisan make middleware, and we will make a middleware named Age. And I already told you, when you create a middleware, it is located on your app/http/middleware directory. So I'm going to create a middleware named Age in Visual Studio Code. PHP artisan make middleware Age. Middleware created successfully. Here you see a middleware named Age.php. So I am going to open it, and here is actually this is the format. There is no code here, so I am going to give some code here. At first you need to register the middleware in the Kernel.php file. So this is the code you need to register in the Kernel.php. Age app http middleware /age class. So I'm going to register it in the Kernel.php here, inside the http folder, and you have to go to the routeMiddleware property in the kernel. This is middleware, this is middleware groups, and this is routeMiddleware. So we go at the end of the line and we just paste it here. And don't forget to save it. Okay, now we need to make a route. Like it's a get method, and the routing address is Age, and this is the parameter you should pass, when you run the software, like you pass the age is the routing address, and this is age, yeah, age oblique 30 is the age. So if you want to check the age limit, you write here the age. I'm showing you details. And then this is return view pass. We have a view named pass. When you write this code inside the web.php, web.php file, I'm showing you what is where is web.php. Inside the route folder there is web.php, yeah, you write here the code, this code, then I will explain again. And you need to also write this line for the source of the age file. Right here, age.php is located inside app /http /middleware, yeah, folder. Okay, don't forget to save this. Okay, now you see we are using get method, yeah, and this is the router address and routing address, and this is the age you should pass inside the middleware, yeah. So when this line executed, at first is executed the middleware, not this one, yeah, inside the router, inside the route folder or inside the route method, yeah. So it execute middleware age. So when it execute middleware age, it goes to the middleware you have created, yeah, inside app and then middleware, this one. So we should write some code here also to check the limit of the age. See, you have a handler and it has two parameter, request and close and next. So if request is less than equal to 17, it means if the age is less than equal to 17, then it goes to the view restrict, yeah, and it shows that you are not able to buy the product, you are underaged. And otherwise it will come here, and it means it goes to the next command, and next command is here inside the route, yeah. It means it pass the condition and it goes here and it execute the pass view, yeah. So we have to write this command inside the handler here. We paste it here, and don't forget to save also this one. And now we have to create two view, yeah. One should be named restrict and another is pass. So here we write the view on the resource folder, yeah, and then view new file, and we write pass.blade.php, and we write some HTML command here, like it will show you a message that you are authorized to buy products, yeah, show this message. So you copy this HTML document I hope you know we have some knowledge about HTML. So it is H3 tag, and it show how you are authorized to buy the products. Yeah, and don't forget to save it also, and then we'll create another view named restrict dot press enter, and then also add some code here, like it shows how you are not authorized, bracket underaged. Yeah, if the age limit is less than 17 or less than 17. And Ctrl S for saving, and then see what it thinks is left here. Nothing is left, so we can now run the project. I already run the XAMPP component here, yeah, Apache and MySQL, yeah, because this is working on MySQL. So I'm running this project. Yeah. See what the message should show here. Age is more than 17, so it is authorized. Yeah, you are authorized to buy products. If I give the age like less than 17, yeah, like 15, what it should show? You are not authorized, underaged. Yeah. So this is all for today. And one more thing, like don't forget to see the Laravel document, yeah, more descriptive way. If you click this link, you will find more details. Yeah, so this is all for today, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.